skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons speak with such a screech. You'll shake and shudder in surprise when you hear these zombies shriek. We're so sorry, skeletons, you're so misunderstood. You only want to socialize,
but I don't think we should.
The spooky, scary skeletons shout startling, shrilly screams. They'll sneak under sarcophagus and just won't leave you be. Spooky, scary, spooky, scary, spooky, scary, 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 scary. Scary skeletons. Touch a scary spooky, scary skeletons. Scary, spooky, scary, spooky, scary, spooky, scary, spooky, 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 spooky.
Hello. Hi, Matt. Hi, Devin. How's it going? Nice to see everybody. I just finished eating dinner, and now here I am to play Luigi's Mansion. I'm just laying in bed. Nice. That's good, Devin. Bed is comfy. Hi, Josh. Yeah. I feel like my brain is like still, I don't know. I feel like my brain has been off all day and I just turned it on. I didn't work today because it was a holiday today. And I'm not used to streaming on days that I don't work because I don't usually stream on weekends. So it feels weird, but it's okay. It wasn't technically a weekend. It was a holiday. So, but yeah, fun. How is everybody? Anybody do anything exciting today? I actually had kind of an interesting weekend. I learned how to restring a guitar this weekend because, long story short, I had a guitar that I got for free from storage and it had a broken string. So I learned how to restring a guitar and then I was playing guitar. That was kind of fun. I think that was the most exciting thing I did this weekend. I also made a soup, but I usually make soup on weekends, so that's not that exciting. I have work at 6:30 a.m. tomorrow, but at least it's only from 6:30 to 11 a.m. since I'm only part-time. 6:30 is still early, though. I would hate that, personally. I would not enjoy to start work at 6:30 a.m. I mean, I've started work at 7 a.m. before, so I've had the early days, but 6:30 is pretty early, especially depending on how far your work is. I've been lucky that I've never been that far from my work for quite a long time. But anyways, yeah. I'm back to play Luigi's Mansion again. I feel like I remember, like, nothing about Luigi's Mansion from last week. Like, I kind of remember, like, the beginning, when we were, like, rolling up on the bus to the hotel. And I remember Dr. something. I don't even remember his name. I don't know. And I remember the banger ringtone when the doctor called me, but I cannot remember his name. I'm gonna remember once I do it. Nice, Devin. My work is only 25 minutes from where I live. Yeah, 25 minutes is not horrible. But still early if you have to be up that early. Or still, anyway. Yeah, I don't really remember like what was going on. I feel like he was giving us like missions or something. Like we had to go like find the different ghosts or whatever. I don't really remember, but we'll get back into it. Hi, Regan. There you go. You got in and stole them before Baron could get here. Oh yeah, finding the elevator buttons. That's right, Josh. I remember now. I remember that part anyways. Yeah, that'll be fun. Also, exciting thing that I think I have nailed down today. Basically, so on the stream schedule that Matt sent, he said there might be something else to be added or whatever. I don't remember the exact wording that he said. Because basically, next weekend, two of my friends are coming to visit, and we had discussed the possibility of potentially streaming together while they're here. And so I was talking to my friend today to be like, what should we do? Like, what's the vibes? And I think we've settled on doing a combination cooking stream and possibly music stream. Both at once. For sure a cooking stream. The music is to be determined. But we're gonna make dinner together on Saturday night and then stream it. I don't know what we're gonna make either, but it's gonna be a good time, hopefully. So anyway, there will be an extra stream on Saturday, basically. My last cooking stream, I think, was the bagel stream, so that was fun. That was a while ago now, though, like a long time ago. I don't remember when exactly. I already had Luma at that point, so it must have been in the last, like, year and a half, but I feel like it was a while ago. I have an alarm set for 5 a.m. and I wake up before my alarm. I wake up at 4:30 a.m. Yeah, that's annoying. I actually got woken up today before my alarm. Oh my god, I'll complain about this actually. I'm on call right now for work, which means obviously I have to have my work phone with me at all times and answer if people call me. And anyway, it's the summer right now and there's not really much going on, so I haven't really been getting calls at all. And this morning I was supposed to wake up at 8:30 so I could call my friend at 9, and so I set my alarm for 8:30, but then around like 7 a.m. I get woken up by my phone ringing, and I was like, oh fuck. Because I'm on call, so I was like, oh damn, I have to answer it. It like startled me awake, like I was like, oh my god. But then I pick up my phone, it's like it's laying next to me on my bed. I look at it, and on the number, you know when like iPhones, I don't know if other types of phones do this, I just know that iPhones do it. It has the number. It's like a random area code that I've never seen. And underneath in brackets it says, likely spam. And I was like, fuck off. I was like, are you joking? And so I answer it. And a literally immediate hang up. Like nothing said. I literally just picked it up and then they immediately hung up. Obviously some kind of like spam call or something. But like, these are the fucking trials and tribulations of being in a job where you have to be on call. When your number has clearly been sold to like a bunch of fucking spam stuff. Because also, I get like 1 million spam texts a day on this phone. I'm honestly surprised that I haven't gotten more spam calls on this phone. But yeah, got woken up at 7 a.m. for literally no reason. Because it wasn't even an actual call. I don't remember what the area code was. I can look. It was 973 was the area code. Let me have a look at what that is. 973 area code. New Jersey! Apparently. Someone was fucking spamming me from New Jersey. So, fuck off, honestly. So annoying. The other thing is, obviously, this is nothing like this happened today, but, this work phone, obviously, like, because it's a work phone and they gave it to me and like it was a phone, like it's a phone plan that they've had, like this number has been passed around to like all the different like managers that also had this job before me. And the manager, like 2 managers ago before me that had this number, literally fucking gave her, she must have either had this only as her, like her only phone, like she was using her work phone as her personal phone, or for some reason she just decided to give her work phone number for literally everything. Like doctor's appointments, tax related stuff, like everything. Because I get so many freaking calls for that person. Like, the amount of calls I have answered that have been like, oh, can I speak with X person? And I'm like, this is not her number anymore. Stop calling me. Like, oh my God. So annoying. Like, guys, so listen, here's my advice. PSA. If anybody ever has a job, if anyone ever has a job, and you have a work phone, and you know, like, if that work phone is gonna be someone else's after you, don't fucking give that number out to a bunch of random stuff, because then if you do, they're gonna fucking get all the calls that are for you. Like, oh my God, can't we have a brain for a second? Like, I'm also like, she's gonna be missing all these calls now. They might be important. Like, they might be about, like, something that she actually needs to know. And I'm like, I don't have her new fucking number, so, like, I just tell them, please don't call me anymore. This is not her number. Anyway, annoying. You look like a Swiftie. What gave it away? Was it this, perhaps? Also, hi, Parker. I'm also, oh my God, wait, I'm also wearing a Taylor Swift sweater today. I wasn't even thinking about that. It's kind of her fault. Oh, 100%, Regan, 100%. Like, don't give a number to people that you're not gonna have permanently. Like, I don't get it. And I understand, like, people's numbers have to change. Sometimes you get a new plan, sometimes you have to get a new number, like, whatever. But, like, why would you give a work phone that you know is not gonna be your number forever? Like, so annoying. The last spam call I got was from May 2nd, and the area code was 620. I don't know that one either. Yeah, I do have my Taylor Swift Eras Tour tapestry behind me. Anyways, yeah. So that's my on-call complaints. I also got a call the other day from someone that I should not have gotten a call from. It was like a person who randomly found the number on like a website, and I'm like, bro, you should not have this. Like, crazy stuff. I don't know why the heck that number is just like circulating around, because it's supposed to only be for emergencies. Anyways, terrible. But luckily, even after I woke up to the call at 7 a.m., I was able to go back to sleep. I didn't, like I said, I had my alarm set for 8:30 to get up and call my friend, and I went back to sleep for like an hour. So it was okay. It could have been worse, but I was so annoyed. And like, I don't know about you guys, but when I get woken up, I'm like startled. Like, whether it's like an alarm going off, a phone ringing, like nothing, like anything, I get very startled. Like, I swear, even when my alarm goes up, I wake up and I'm like, and my heart is like pounding, and I'm like, so I was like, I had to like calm my body back down so I could go back to sleep. All for a fucking spam call at 7 a.m. Who is spam calling at 7 a.m. anyways? Like, on a holiday. 7 a.m. on a holiday. Who is spam calling? Like, I don't know. But actually, to be honest, low-key, I think that being on the West Coast, we kind of get cursed with spam calls. Because probably some of the spam calls that we get are from, like, the East Coast. Like, us being the last time zone in North America, I feel like that's why they call so early sometimes. Because they're calling from, like, Ontario or, like, the East Coast, and so it's not that early. Because in what other reason would I be getting spam calls at 7 a.m.? Like, I can't think of anything. But if I was in Ontario, it would be 10 a.m. So, anyways, just annoying. A pain. The amount of spam texts I get, though, is, like, actually crazy. Like, way more texts than I get spam calls. And to a point that, like, I don't even, like, open them or check them. I just have, like, a million iMessage notifications. I have 73 iMessage notifications. Literally, Matt, I wonder if people in Hawaii are getting calls. Look, I have 73 freaking texts. Ignore my broken screen protector. Because I don't even bother opening stuff. And then what happens is that I miss actual texts from people. Because I get all these spam ones. I'm so used to ignoring every text I get. Like, don't fucking text my work phone because I'm not even gonna answer. Like, and like, I don't know, what kind of spam texts are you guys getting these days? Are you getting any? Because I can tell you the two types that I get the most. First type is about packages. Like, it'll be like, your delivery is on hold due to this. Go put in your information and like pay money and like whatever. I get a lot of those even when I don't have anything being delivered. Then I also get a lot of people trying to offer me jobs. Like, so many people trying to offer me jobs. Hi, I'm Evelyn with McKinsey, and we have Evelyn, and we have remote, online, part-time, and full-time jobs. Your background and resume have caught the attention of several online recruiters, so we'd like to offer you a job you can do from home in your free time. This job is easy and has no time constraints. Seems too good to be true. I reckon that's the real Evelyn. I know, it probably is. Daily pay. Oh, guys, listen to this. Daily pay ranges from $200 to $5,000 and is paid the same day. So this job is paying daily, I suppose. Oh, this is good. Join us and be a part of America's booming job market and start a career you can be proud of. Requirements 22 plus. And then they say, if interested, please contact us via WhatsApp. Who the fuck is offering jobs over WhatsApp? Like, what is this? I also have, like, they're sending me novels. Hi, good morning. I'm Darlene, a recruiting representative at Amazon. Oh my god, Amazon job. And your resume has been recommended by several online recruiting companies. Therefore, our company is offering you a remote online job. It's always a remote online job, which is a great remote, part-time, full-time online job helping Amazon merchants update data, increase visibility and bookings. What the fuck bookings are on Amazon? Also, hi, Icy. And provide free training. Work for 60 to 90 minutes, depending on your schedule, and earn $50 to $500 per day if you wish. Base salary is $800 for every 4 days worked, 5-day paid probationary period, after which you can sign an employment contract. Like, why are they sending me all of this? That's not even the full message. And you know what's funny too? Is like the messages oftentimes, like, they don't even come from phone numbers. They come from emails. Like, you know how you can send messages from emails on iMessage? Like, look at the, I'll fucking expose it, I don't care. Look at the who this message came from. Oh, it's too fucking bright, hold on. Like, why the fuck would Soapy Buzz GD Zohill at Outlook.pt be sending me a fucking job? Can we be for real? For a moment. Like, what is that? Anyway, yeah, literally. Oh, that's my alt. So great. Sorry, Matt. Anyways, just like silly. The one from Evelyn, Devin, it didn't even say who the recruiter is. That one said Amazon. Evelyn's didn't say anything. Falafel, I'm just reading some spam texts that I get. I also get a lot that just say, and maybe this is smart, but I get a lot that just say something like this, like, hello, are you available to chat about work for a moment? I get that a lot. Even though it's from like a number that I've literally never fucking seen. Look, I'll expose all the phone numbers. You guys can message them all. Like, tell them to fuck off and stop bothering me. Maybe that's bad. I don't care. They're annoying. One time you actually got scammed, Falafel. That's not good. Anyways, good times. Literally all of my like 60 whatever unread messages on here are all spam texts, or it's like codes for logging in, like 2FA codes. I want a feature on iPhones where after like 5 or 10 minutes or something, they accidentally delete codes that you, or automatically delete codes that you get. Like if I'm fucking logging into something and I get a code and it's like, your one-time login code is this. Apple should fucking read that shit and delete it after 5 minutes. Because I will never have the energy to go in and delete those messages. And then again, it gives me like a million unread messages. And especially, they do that on iPhone if you use Apple Mail. Oh. On email though? Or, because I want it gone from my texts, is the thing. Email is good too. But like, I get more of them to my messages, I feel like. And the thing is, Josh, if I get them to my email, I actually delete them. But on text, I will never delete them. They'll just stay forever. And because of the feature that iPhones has where you can like, it comes up in the middle predictive thing, you know what I'm saying? Like it'll be like code from text and you like press it and it just puts it in automatically. I never even open the message. So I just have all these unread messages like, oh my God, I need to clean them out more. Like why is it so much maintenance to have a phone and have an email? Like I do not have the energy to be going in and deleting all these things. Such a first world problem, but like, oh my God, like free me from this, like, I don't want this anymore. I'm gonna throw away my phone. Josh, that's actually crazy. Wait, I want to investigate this right now. General autofill and passwords. Oops, I clicked the wrong thing. Delete. Oh my literal god. Delete after. Sorry, my phone looks so fucking dirty. Delete after use. That's crazy. I did not know that was a thing. You just saved my life. Hopefully, I don't know if it will delete all the ones I currently have, but maybe it will start after this. Falafel, you're right. I agree. Anyways, yeah, so I get a lot of spam calls and spam texts. Follow me for tech tips, guys. Yeah, I love that for you. You should make a, you know, start making a business out of it. Oh, and we have, speaking of fucking spam, we have best viewers on streamboo.com coming in the chat. Thank you. First time chatter. But, hooray. Let's see if I can find any other funny ones. More just people offering me jobs. Guys, why does everybody say it's so hard to find a job? Don't they get a million job offers in their iMessage every day? Why don't they just answer those? Oh my god. So dumb. Anyways, good times. The spam texts I really don't care about too much. It's the phone calls that get me, especially when I'm on call and it's like, cause you know what's crazy too? I'm not gonna take any of these job offers. I have a job. The crazy thing too, I don't know if you guys have ever heard this, but they all have Androids. True. I don't know if you guys have heard this, but I was trying to figure out a few months ago, I was getting so annoyed with the amount of spam calls that I would like the one I got this morning, that I would answer and then it would just immediately hang up. Like nothing. No like robot voice, no nothing. It would literally just hang up immediately. And I was getting annoyed because there was one point where I was getting these every day on my, not even this phone, on my personal phone. I was getting these every day at the same time. Like around like 8 or 9 in the morning. I would get them every single day. And so I started looking it up. And people online, like on Reddit and stuff, were saying that when you get those spam calls, the ones where it's like nothing's said, they just hang up immediately when you pick up the phone, they were saying that those calls are basically like tests to see if your number is active so that you can get added to spam lists. Like it's like basically bots or whatever, like doing a bunch of like auto calls because they're trying to see if your phone number is active. And if you answer, that means your phone number is active, and then you get, like, they'll keep calling. Or they'll put you on a list for, like, some other thing that they're gonna, like, call about, or whatever. I don't know if that's true or not, but if that's true, that's fucking annoying, because on my work phone, when I'm on call, I have to answer. Because, like, on my phone, if it's a number that I don't have saved, I don't answer. Because I just assume it's spam all the time. So, I won't get caught by those things. But on my work phone, if I'm on call, I have to fucking answer. So they're gonna be like, oh, this is an active number. Let's add to the list. And then I'm gonna get on the list and I'm gonna get more spam calls. And it's like a freaking cycle that just repeats. Oh, God. Let's burn all of our phones. Let's throw them away. Let's put them in one of those big hydraulic press things. Let's all just sacrifice our phones together. You know, the crazy thing is too, though, is that it's not even like this issue started with cell phones. Like, so many spam calls you get if you have a landline as well, like, all the time. This was an issue before cell phones existed. But now, because we carry our cell phones all the time, and, you know, we're expected to be reachable all the time, it's more annoying. That's all I have to say on this subject. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. I just don't answer calls. Yeah. Well, see, like, that's the thing, Regan. Like, I have to answer calls when I'm on call for work. That's the whole point. On my other phone, I won't. But, like, I literally have. It's literally, like, if this phone rings right now, I have to pick it up. Otherwise, I will be in big trouble.
I know I'm supposed to hate humans, but there's something about them. They don't just survive, they discover, they create.
Is that another quote? That's giving like it should be from WALL-E or something, based on the content. But you were doing Ratatouille before, so I don't know. Anyways, thanks everyone for listening. Thanks Josh for giving me that tip to make the things delete. I will enable that on my other phone too. After stream. It's out in the other room. That's also from Ratatouille? Wow. That's crazy. Anyways, that's how I'm feeling today. You like Ratatouille? It's pretty good. I like Ratatouille as well. Anyway, I should probably open up Luigny here because I already started stream late. So let's get the Switch fired up. Guys, only a few more weeks of the Switch being the most recent Nintendo console. Switch 2 is coming, for real. Next week, and as in like 2 weeks from now, I'm gonna do my big Mario Kart stream. To prepare. I can't believe all the OG Switches are gonna blow up. Yeah, I know, right? I still have to figure out if my store is doing a midnight release. I haven't heard anything. I hope they are, but probably not because I live in a dumb, small, middle of nowhere city. The ad at least was something I could see myself going to. What was your ad? Also, hi, Dinger. Alright, let's fire it up. A Willie Nelson concert. Willie Nelson is alive. Yeah, I guess he is alive. He's old, though. Willie Nelson must be, like, in his 90s, I swear. But that's cool. You should go. Thank you, Matt. Alright, welcome back, everyone. True, Dinger. Probably. I already played 2 hours and 6 minutes of this, and probably half of that was me just, like, being confused. Wait, what should I... What do I want here? Oh, I guess this, the first one. I was gonna say it seemed like this, but this is the most recent, so we'll go here. Thank you for these inspiring quotes, Falafel. Alright. I don't remember how to play this game. Okay, that's like to stun them. Oh yeah, and then this is blowing. No, wait, this is blowing. This is sucking. Slay. Oh yeah, this is the other thing. Okay, I have to remember how everything works. Oh, and this is to do the... this thing, the plunger thing. Okay. I think I remember. I think I got it. I don't remember what we're doing right now. I want him to call again so we can hear the ringtone. Egad! That's what his name was. I remember. Should we, like, call him up? Because I don't remember what we're supposed to do. Have you explored every last nook and cranny of this hotel, top to bottom? It's important to be thorough. If you ever get stuck, look at the VB's map and see if there are any places you haven't visited yet. Do you need anything else? No. Hi, Bumdo. Maybe you can help me. I don't remember what's going on. Also, I'm looking at my closed captions thing, and when I said Bumdo, it made it like 2 different words. Bum and dough. But like dough spelled like when you're baking dough. And I just thought that was an interesting interpretation of your name. Just wanted to let you know in case anyone doesn't have the captions on. How are you, Bumdo? You know how I am? Fucking trash. Because the Leafs suck. I'm just kidding. I'm actually fine. But, like, I gotta be a little bit dramatic about it. Nice, Bumdo. I didn't even remember to talk about the Leafs during the start of this stream. I had blocked it out from my memory already. It was the result everyone in the universe expected. 1000%. I knew that it would happen. I literally said before, I knew that they were gonna win Game 6, You know how I knew they were going to win Game 6? Because they can never let it end without just giving us that last little bit of hope. That's literally what they do. Like, they could be playing so terrible and they're still going to win all the way until Game 7 just so they can lose in Game 7. That's literally, like, their whole thing. Like, I knew that it was going to happen. I knew it. I would have liked to have at least seen them put up, like, a little bit of a fight, but, like, I also recognize that's too much to ask. So, I didn't realize Luigi had a speaking button. He only has one line. I was just trying to remember what was the thing we learned last time of, like, where we Gooigi? How do you do that? I don't remember. I don't remember how the Gooigi thing works. Oh no, what have I done? I just want to see a list of... Okay, I don't know. Any goers? I know because I don't remember how. The off-season is... This off-season is finally the time where the Leafs are forced to shake some things up. Yeah, oh, definitely. I'm curious to see how the summer is gonna go. But fucking good, to be honest. Their general manager, the person who handles player trades, drafting, and acquisition, is almost certainly fired. One of the Leafs' core players will be leaving. Things will change, but maybe not for the better. Yeah, I know. I feel like we had to do it, and we didn't, so. Oh well. Maybe in another 50 years. The thing that's most upsetting, arguably, about the entire thing is that I think there's a very good chance that Florida just wins again. And I don't think that's the outcome that literally anyone wants. But I feel like it's maybe what's gonna happen. I think Edmonton has a good fighting chance, maybe. But we'll see. Clicking down on the right stick. Oh, you're a genius, Josh. Wow, you got us tonight. What would I do without you? First the iMessage tips, now this. Oh my god, look what happens if you run into him. He's like jiggly. Follow protect tips. Yeah, you're crushing it actually. How do I join them back up? I don't remember how to join them back up. I'm pressing every button until something works. Whoops, 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 whoops. Oh god. Okay, well, we're separated forever now, because... Oh, I can just kill him. That works. Since such a big market, there's so much pressure to constantly have a good team and be relevant. The smart thing to do for the franchise would be to tear it all down, trade players away, and compile draft picks to rebuild. But it's Toronto. Constant media scrutiny, constant high expectations, constantly in the spotlight. The pressure to always be good is so high. It's so sad. Yeah, honestly, like... I don't enjoy, any part of it. Like, at all. And then you combine all of that with the fact that, like, it's impossible for fans to even get tickets and go to games because, like, the market is so crazy. And then you have people that fucking literally pay, like, over $1,000 to go to a playoff game, probably, and then they all leave as soon as the Leafs are losing. Like, I was like, bro, if I was in that fucking game, I would have been staying till the bitter damn end because... It would be a fucking privilege to go to a Leafs game in Toronto. I'll probably never do it in my life because it's so expensive. Unless I, like, somehow win tickets at some point. And then you have all these people that just fucking leave. Like, but also, like, yeah, they paid how much to see, like, literally the worst fucking game ever. So, like, I don't know. Complicated stuff. But anyway, we'll see what happens in the future. Oh, double click the stick to suck back the goo. Okay. Oh, thank you, Josh. Okay, we have to figure out what we're doing. Time to lock in. We're fine. We didn't think the Leafs were gonna win anyway. Who fucking cares? So, oh, I can get in here now, right? No, let me be him. I literally forget what I'm doing immediately. Oh, there we go. Aha! This is what I thought of right away when I found out that I could get through grates and stuff. I was like, I can go in here. Woo! How do I get the thingy? How do I get the thing? Do I have to turn it off or something? Whoop! I didn't mean to do that. Let me back in. Oh, unless... Wait, is it simpler than I think? It was not simpler than I thought. Oh, what the heck? I feel like I have to like break something in order to get it out, but I don't currently know what that is. Hello, functional chaos. How's it going? I haven't played in so long, let alone I didn't finish the game, but button might be wrong. Button. Oh, this? The green button? Not too bad, just hanging out doing some work. Ooh, what you working on? Is it anything? You don't have to tell me if it's classified. You don't have to tell me if you signed an NDA. Don't you have a plunger? Oh, duh. If I can remember how to use it. Oh, there we go. What? I didn't think that didn't work. I'm also working on something and packing. Are you packing? Wait, are you packing to go to the thingy that you told us about last week? Was that last week? Yeah, I guess so. To be respectful, I won't say. Okay. Cool. We love a little mystery. That's okay. Nuclear scientist. No, wait, Josh, it might work. I think I just had bad aim. Oh, unless... No, I guess that doesn't work. That's exciting, Bumdo. I'm excited for you. Yeah, this ain't doing anything. I think I'm leaving this, I'm sorry to say. I simply can't figure it out right now. I'll be on camera broadcasting. Can we watch this anywhere? Can we witness it anywhere? Send it in self-promo or something so I don't forget. But what button, though? Wait, there appears to be many buttons. Oh, wait. Wait a sec. What the fuck? I'm getting an X prompt and I can't... Ah, it goes away as soon as I go to... Unless it's just that again. Probably is. I don't think, Josh, because there's like no way to interact with it. Unless it's like this. I don't think. I'll post it in the Discord. Good. Yeah, we're not getting this. I'm leaving. We have to make some progress. I already started late and then yapped for a long time. Functional, I just started playing this for the first time last week. And as you can see, I'm excellent at the game. Yeah. This is annoying me, the aiming of this. Can you aim like up and down but not left to right? Like it doesn't seem like you could go left to right at all, which I don't enjoy. Okay, I literally have no idea where to go or what to do. I have absolutely no bearings whatsoever. I don't know where we should go. I know we're trying to find elevator buttons and stuff. But I don't even remember what we've already done. My brain got... Oh yeah, and there's this as well. My brain got fried by playing Blueprints after this last week. Wait a minute, it might actually work for this. Yeah. Aha! Is this working? Hello? Oh, okay. Yeah, we got it. At least we got one gem if we couldn't get the red one. I think I want to go to the elevator, and I don't know where that is, and I'm not doing a good job of following the map.
Mario. Mario.
I like how he has a Mario button.
Mario. Mario. Mario.
That's kind of entertainment.
Yeah.
Whoops. Mario's nowhere to be found, by the way. Okay. We found the elevator. Let's go. And I don't know where the heck we're gonna go. Where have we not been? Ooh, we can go to the shops. I think 3 is the one that we discovered last. Even though I'm sure I missed stuff from whatever other floor I went to before. Same. Alright, what do we got in here? A map? Ooh, okay, it looks like we have like a clothing store, a salon, a Dorito store, a cafe, and a gift shop. I don't know what the Dorito store is actually supposed to be. Oh, maybe that's supposed to be a diamond. It just looks like a triangle. Maybe it's a jewelry store. Dorito store! What's everybody's favorite flavor of Dorito? Or do you like Doritos? It won't let me into the women's bathroom. Hello? Let me in. Can I... Is this problematic? Ooh, a key! Original if I'm making nachos or using them for guac, and cheese supreme on their own. I don't know if I know cheese supreme.
Oh yeah.
I like the nacho cheese flavor. I honestly can't say I've ever even had original Doritos.
What?
I'm in between the spicy buffalo ranch and the sweet, spicy, and tang. It's spicy, sweet, and tangy. I don't know if I've had those either. I feel like the only ones I've had are like Cool Ranch, the nacho cheese, and there's like a... Oh, Josh, we call that nacho cheese. I think it's the same. But there's also one that's like spicy, I think. What's the spicy one called? Sweet Heat. Wait, sweet... Is it Sweet Heat or Sweet Chili? Whatever that is, I like those ones as well. Fun fact, Mario is 5'1". Most girls nowadays will not date him. Who is most girls? Is that all we have in here? Our nacho cheese is yellow. Oh, maybe it is different. I saw a post on Blue Sky showing horrible food at British sports stadiums. And was it interesting? Did you see anything you want to try? Fuck most girls. Mario's got a really big nose. True, and yeah, he does eat a lot of pasta. That's also true.
Whoa. Hello.
Oh, hello. Those are the ones I mean. The sweet chili, not sweet and tangy. Oh, okay, yeah. Sweet chili is yummy. I like that. Oh, there was no one on the phone. That's me! When my fucking on-call phone rings at 7 a.m. and I answer it, and this is what's on the other line. And I'm like, bitch, what? Sorry, Bumdo, I went on a whole rant about spam calls and spam texts before you got here. I felt very strongly about it. And I still do. That does not sound very good, Dinger. Alright, let's go Oh wait, oh, this is, we needed the key for this. I didn't even try to look this way. I just immediately went the other way. I didn't even notice this was like a thing. Ooh, it's a spinning door. Those are fun. Revolving door. Me when I'm always terrified. Oh, there's a freaking guy up there. He's got some sunglasses. He's got keys. I'm assuming he has like all the keys to all the stores. Why does he have them? I like how the ghosts look. What he doing? Not a rat. Not a rat in the vending machine. This place really needs a health and safety inspector. Okay, he went in there. I see. Cleaning cart. Where was it that he went? Again, I have... What is it over here? It's making a noise. Oh, it is over here. I can literally see on the map. Hello?
Oh, yeah.
I'm just ignoring the map in the top right corner. Thanks. How many times can I get money from this thing? Oh shit. Guys, persistence pays off. I'm assuming this is not the key for this door because it's not the right shape.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
That would be too easy, too convenient if he left the key that we needed right outside. Oh no, not a rat. Whoa, I just blasted the rat with my flashlight. Speaking of... Oh my god. How many times can I open this thing? Oh! Oh damn! Like I said, persistence pays off. Was not expecting that. Oh my god, bro. Thank you. Okay, is that actually all? This is why they say no flash photography at the zoo. Yeah, because if you use flash photography, the animals will explode into coins. Yeah, and we don't want that, do we? Okay, let's... Oh, I can see him. Oh, he has the number 2 button. Why didn't he call me officially? I wanted to hear the ringtone. I hope Guiji has been very helpful for you, Luigi. Don't forget... Oh. I would not have thought of that. No, give me Luigi. Can he get through here? Oh, is that not a thing? Okay, maybe not. This whole time I could have gotten coins at the zoo. I knew I was getting scammed. Right? You could make back your admission if you just... You know, oh, I think I sent him through there. Let's go, Guiji. Alright, what is in here? Look at these ghost things. Look at the piranha plants on top. It's giving the piranha plant cameras for the Switch 2. Which everyone should buy, by the way. Definitely spend your hard-earned money on a, like, 460p piranha plant camera. Not the rats. Oh, gold rats! Oh my god. Like, that's crazy. Where'd they go? Can I eat everything off the shelves? I can. This place is gonna have no stock left after I'm done. Nice. The toys are pretty cute. That's why I had to eat them all with my backpack. Oh, that's nice. Ooh, can I eat money out of the cash register also? That'd be fun. Damn, they're really gonna have nothing left. I kind of suck at controlling the aim of this thing. Look at those boo mugs. Those are actually cool. I want one for real. I need that hat. Otherwise I won't be satisfied. There we go. Okay, did we get everything? Not these coins. I think we got almost everything. Oh. I don't know why I even tried that. I know that the shapes are gonna match. I honestly didn't even realize it had a shape. Dummy. Okay, let's go this way. Oh shit! But he can't get wet! Oh. Okay, no, it's fine. I thought the water was gonna start running on me, and I was like, oh shit, that's gonna kill me. But it did not. Well, I bet I can open this fridge. Oh! Bruh! Oh my god, bro. It's hard to get the right, like, direction when they're freaking running around like that. See, I cannot get myself oriented in the correct direction. What? He's gone.
Oh no.
Why is it so difficult to, like, face the right way? It's because I'm a bad gamer. I know. What, does that mean that he's just gone? I don't get the satisfaction of getting him? That sucks. I guess I need to do better next time. Woo! I love this coin sound. Josh, I'm upset. I wanted to get him. Okay. I missed a coin, I guess. Is that all for in here? I'm having Tums because I have heartburn. Who can relate? Me, unfortunately. All right. What was that? I guess I can't do that from all the way over here. I feel like this game is as much about cleaning everything up as it is about the ghosts for me. Like, I just want everything to be spotless. Meanwhile, I'm like throwing the chairs around. You know what I mean. They've left so much clutter around. Do Tums taste nice? These ones do. These ones literally taste like candy. They're called Tums Chewy Bites. And see, you can see they're like, they're not like the chalky consistency that it usually has. They're like chewy. These ones kind of like, if I could compare them to like a texture, there's something that they're like And I can't think of what. Mentos? They're kind of like that. The texture of them. But I also have the chalky ones, and I do not like these. I avoid them at all costs. But I have them as a backup, just in case I run out of the other ones. Because I frickin' always need them. Hats! Is there a medicine you wish wasn't a medicine so you could have it forever? Probably those, I guess. Pepto is also good. I can see an argument for Pepto. I know a lot of people really like it. It's not my favorite, but it does taste nice. Do you have one, Josh? Oh shit! Oh my god, let's get him this time. Rude. Don't poke my nose. Oh, he's like, why is this a fake one? We gotta get him. Oh my god, there's a second one. Yeah, hit them both at the same time. Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa! Why is it just pouring out coins? What was that? Okay, we got the key. Let's get all these coins.
Oh, yeah.
There's this kid's cold allergy liquid that tastes like artificial grape that I like. Ooh, artificial grape I feel like doesn't usually taste that nice to me. I can see how some people might like it, but I'm not a big fan. Okay, we definitely didn't get all of those coins, but we got a good amount. I feel like this should be interactable. Wait, there's a frickin' oh! There's a gem in there. Oh, man. Artificial grape tastes like purple. That's a very interesting observation. How do I get that? One time I did just take a swig when I wasn't sick. Those child locks ain't gonna stop me. Wow. I mean, what's the worst that will happen? As long as you don't do it like all the time, I feel like it's maybe fine. I don't know how to get this thing out, and there's coins in there as well. This is when I was young. Damn, that actually is, that's naughty then. It'd be one thing if you did it now, like as an adult. Oh, oh yeah, okay, you did say it was a kid's cold and allergy liquid, so I guess that makes sense. You know what else I enjoy? Like cough drops. Oh my god, butter menthols. Oh, fuck me up. I would eat a whole pack. They're so good. But like you really shouldn't, because menthol is like not good for your throat in like large amounts. Like some people argue that menthol is not good. No, like menthol is bad for your throat long term if you have it all the time. If it like there's cough drops that aren't made of menthol, those ones are fine. But the ones that are made of menthol, you really shouldn't have them too much. I've heard arguments for not like having them at all because they're like not good for your throat. Because it just numbs it. It doesn't actually like resolve the issue. But no, I like them as well. And I will definitely have them if I'm sick. You just shouldn't have like too many. But I love butter menthols. They're so good. And I have other cough drops that don't have menthol that like are arguably like more fine. Or maybe it's all a myth, I don't know. But I have heard that too much menthol is not good. So yeah, that's my actual answer, butter menthols. I don't know how to get that freaking gem, so sorry everybody. No, I have the heart key, not this one. All these gems being left behind. I know, and we're gonna have to come back and find them again after. Oh shit. Do we need to be Luigi again? Luigi.
Whoa.
Was it this one? No, that's the star. Where's the heart thing? I'm actually not, like, playing this in an optimal way. Show me a heart. Oh, over here. Let's go. Or should I say, let's-a go. Let's eat up everything first before we get to the cash register. Oh my god, this reminds me. My friend sent me a photo, or a video yesterday. There's this big department store in Canada called The Bay, which is closing. Like, it's stores and stuff. And she sent me a photo. She was at the Bay, and they were having, like, a sale of all of their mannequins. Because they're just getting rid of them, because the store's closing. And so she sent me a video of, like, all of these mannequins, like naked mannequins, like, all next to each other. She was like, they're so scary. But they were selling them for, like, $100. So if anyone wants a mannequin, let me know. Maybe I can pick one up. Josh Wings, do you need any mannequins for your escape rooms? Oh! You! Oh my god, he was changing. Sorry. Like, how do you can't turn around once you are facing that way. See you. Ba 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 ba. No. Don't go out. Oh sh. What? Where are we going? Oh my god. Okay. I was not expecting that. Went on a little journey under the floor. Okay. I do not think I know a Scott Sterling falafel. Now, where the hell did it go? Oh my god. Oh, a soccer goalkeeper. Yeah, I'm not much of a soccer person, unfortunately. No, I want to pick up all the money. I don't care about you dumb ghosts. I'm here for the money. I didn't even get it all. Oh my god, they're literally all following me! Let me get them all at once. Oh, yes. That was crazy. A professional volleyball player. Wow. Talented at multiple sports. That's cool. I can't say I know soccer or volleyball. But that's cool. Yeah, get everything. Steal everything. This hotel is gonna have nothing, no merchandise to sell. Because it's all gonna be sucked up in my backpack. What do we have now? The spade key? It's gonna make me probably go back upstairs, right? Yep. Maximum back and forth. Oh yeah, I was already in here, and I cleared the shelves. When I didn't have the key yet. What? They stole it! What the hell? Give it back. Oh, I bet I have to go in here. Or not. What the heck? Where the hell did they bring the cash register? Oh, the real Luigny is all the way down there. I don't know where they brought it. Think. I feel like I maybe have to go back to another room to get it. I don't think it's like anywhere in here, even though it looks like they just like brought it into the wall. Oh wait. Oh, that worked. What are these orby things?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's go. Oh, never mind. Not you. Oh my god. What? That didn't do anything. Oh, because he has sunglasses on. That's why. Ah, we had to get rid of the sunglasses. I see. That's kind of funny. Oh, I broke the shelf. Oh god. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh jeez. Can I use the big one to hit all of the little ones? Ah, jeez. No, apparently not. Ow! Stop! Who's who, Matt? The ghost? Just the ghost. Just your average ghosty guy. Oh, here he is. Yeah! Alright, let's go down to the other store. I'm assuming this one is gonna give me the, I don't remember what I was gonna say. The star key. Oh, damn! Why is the escalator working all of a sudden? And also, how the heck do I get in this little coffee shop part? Can I go up the wrong one? You can. Okay, let's go in here. Oh, wait. I don't think this is the kind of thing that Guigi can get through. Very curious indeed.
Wow. They did it. Ho-ho.
How do we get in? Oh! I didn't think that would actually do anything. Oh, I see. How do I hit both at the same time? Is it literally impossible to hit both at the same time?
Wow.
Well, I don't know, Matt. I don't think that doing one at a time is working. I don't think that's gonna let me. I feel like I have to do both at the same time for it to let me in. See how like only one side of the scissors is moving for each? I'm just assuming. Oh, wait, I think I see what you mean. Don't tell me you've already forgotten your training, Luigi. I'm talking about pressing R while trying to suck something up. Oh! Yeah. I see. Okay. Well, I didn't know this. I guess I did forget my training, is what we've learned. Okay, hold on.
Whoa.
Haha. Yeah. Well, that was fancy. Now Luigi can get in. What? Ghost haircuts? What is going on here? Spiders! You. Oh my god, that sound of those spider things getting sucked up was exactly the same sound as Slime Rancher. You guys remember? The sound when you would like suck up the slimes on Slime Rancher. It literally sounded the same. That's so funny. Same energy, I guess. Whoop. Can I get the stuff from the top shelf? Might be too far. Yeah, maybe. What am I doing in here? There was like ghosts giving a haircut, but. I thought that might expose them. I don't know what else. I haven't found where I'm supposed to use the key yet. And I haven't even had one call from the guy. I haven't got to hear the ringtone. What is going on? There's clearly something going on with these chairs. Aha! That is what we had to do. Oh my god. Full of money. Literally beating all the cash out of them. I think the other guy left. Oh shit. They don't oh, are those ones like you have to hit them as many times as you can to get as much like money as you can and then they just leave? Like I'm assuming you get more if you kill them like fully, but I wouldn't know yet because I haven't been able to. I'm assuming it's like something like that though. Okay, but what did that actually accomplish? Aside from just like battling some ghosties for fun. We still didn't figure out. Oh wait, I have an idea. I'm rich. I don't know how much money I have. I haven't checked. Nice. Finally! We got it. Okay. Real quick, before I go up. Oh shit, never mind. I was gonna say before I go do this, I want to go refill my water because my water's empty, but then we got a cutscene immediately. But they just wanted to kill Luigi, it seems. Oh fuck, I shouldn't have continued. It's okay, Matt, we can bring him back. Oh my god, what? What? They reversed the oh my god, that was never gonna happen, Luigi, sorry. Even though Luigi is peak athleticism. Hi, Match. Wait, Match, I'll remember this time. How have your tests gone? How's everything going? Okay, we have this guy now, I guess. Oh shit. I have to pull from the back, yep. I want that health. Give me the health. Only have one more assignment left. Yay! You're almost done. Good job, Match. I hope your final assignment goes well. Oh, I keep thinking he's gonna call me, but then he doesn't. He just skips the ringtone. He was quite an aggressive one, wasn't he? I'm surprised you were able to catch him. He'll be a big help to my research, though. Keep up the good work. Alright, I will. Oh, this is back to normal now. Okay, now, before I go up through the last door, I'm gonna go and refill my water and perhaps get some goldfish to snack on. Oh damn, I was about to observe the stacked chairs, but then I knocked them all over. You guys can keep an eye on Luigi while I'm gone for a sec. back. I got my water, and I got my goldfish. I'm sorry that Luigi didn't respond to you, Match. It's really rude of him. Alright. Let's frickin' go.
Huh?
That is really rude, Match. He's wearing sunglasses. Noted. Yeah, he does have a pretty immaculate mustache, you're right. Matt, you mean the keys that he has? I don't know exactly what they're for. But I'm sure we'll find out. The ones I used. The fancy keys that I used. Oh, just all the, like, the shaped keys, you mean? They were just to get into the cash registers in, like, the different stores. Oh my god. Apples? Oh shit! He just murdered me! He's gonna come back with the water gun again. Oh my god. Stop it, stop it, stop it! Oh my god! Who's back? Wait, I should go in right in front of him. No! Oh my god. It didn't make a difference. Which past messages match? He has his dumb sunglasses on again. Oh my god! I don't know specifically which messages those are, but I'm not sure. Oh my god, how do you get him? Oh, you just have to avoid, I see. I didn't know he could just run away from it. Oh my god! This guy is so annoying! Well, Mario has some good qualities, what can I say? I ran straight back into that one. I can't even be mad. And then that time he freaking used, like, pumped up the freaking water gun for like 10 seconds. I could have gone and attacked him. I don't understand this. What am I supposed to do? I don't get it.
Well, hello.
I feel like I'm failing at dodging. Like, he gets me right away! What am I supposed to do? I actually don't understand. Even if I manage to hit him, he then shoots me immediately, like... Oh, there we go. Hardest game I've played in my freaking life, bro. We got the elevator button, though. Oh shit.
Haha, I did it.
You actually didn't. Gooigi did.
Okay, okay.
Oh shit.
Whoa.
Was there anything else for me to pick up in here? Any gems, perhaps?
Bullshit, Luigi. Gooigi did all the goddamn work. If you lifted a finger you could claim some of the reward. No wonder the year of Luigi was a financial tragedy.
A financial tragedy? You're right though, Gooigi did everything. Every part of it. Where should we go now? I guess maybe to the elevator. Can we interact with like this stuff at all? Did we already? Can't remember. Oh, we can. $500 million.
Whoa.
It's bothering me that I still can't figure out how to get into this, like, coffee shop area. Oh, wait. Oh, no, that's where I was before! I literally was in there before. I just didn't realize it was the same place. Oh my god, I'm dumb. Look at this. That's so dumb. Okay, anyways, then I did go in there. Alright. Let's go to the elevators, perhaps? That was a fun visit to the shops. Why are goldfish so good? I think we went everywhere on this floor. Except for in this bathroom, which it won't let us in.
Wow.
Unless we can somehow hack into it. I don't think so. Alright, in we go.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
Oh!
Yeah. Oh.
Wow!
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
すくすくウィン
Luigi, the elevator can take you directly to lobby 2F.
すくウィン
Might as well head that way and check it out, I say. Alright. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Alright. Where are we? Oh, look, it's Polterpup. Our bestie. He wants something to eat, perhaps? Hi, Colleen. How are you?
Hello.
How does it feel to be 22? He took the cheese! Matt, did you see that cheese? Ooh, pool. True, your Taylor Swift birthday. That's so true.
Whoa.
Has it been good so far? Your Taylor Swift year, really. Ooh, we can check all the things. I don't remember what these are called. Pockets?
What?
There's gonna be nothing in there, I mean...
Wow.
Wait, can I actually play pool?
Oh.
Oh, wait, do I have to try to sync them all? Just by, like, using the... Aha! That's good. Colleen, are you working tomorrow? Or are you still working tonight? You're up late. Oh my god, look at them all go. Why is the, like, pool cue chalk thing also in here?
Wow.
How accurate is this? Do I have to try to, like, not sink the 8-ball?
Whoa.
I was eeping, but I woke up. Oh, that's not good. I was talking about how this morning I got woken up by... Oh no! Wait, I shouldn't suck up the pool balls. I don't think it worked. I was talking about how I got woken up this morning by a spam call, Colleen. And I was mad about it. You go home in 2 days? Oh, that's good. And then wait, are you staying at home until I go? Ooh!
Wow.
We're almost there. I know, the spam call was so annoying.
Wow.
I was mad. I was mad.
Wow.
Yeah, bring them over here. Oh, yeah. Wait, what? Is something missing? Why is there 2 that are... Huh. Aha! Whoa! Wait, there's so many more in here. Oh, I got an achievement! Played billiards. Good job to me. Is that the first achievement that I've gotten? That doesn't seem right. I probably should have gotten other ones that I missed, but it is what it is. I come back next week. Wait. I come back next week until when you come home. Oh, okay. So you're only going home for a few days. That's good. Wow, a whole week. We get to spend a whole week together. Sisters by chance, friends by choice. I have a Google Assistant answer my calls, which scares off most scam calls. See, that would be good, functional, but unfortunately, I have to be on call for my work, so I have to answer my calls when they're on my work phone. For my personal phone, I can do that.
What?
I do not know if or when I will go back to the island after June. Hopefully you never go back. I mean, unless you want to go back, then you can go. I just disrupted that chessboard.
Whoa.
What's in here? Whoa! A pig! Look at him spin around. Surely it gives me a gem if I keep going. Maybe they will give me lots of money to stay here forever, then I will have to come back. Well, I guess so. If there's money on the line. Maybe if I'm really patient, it will give me a gem. Or not. Yeah, that's fair functional. Sometimes the people aren't in my contacts, though. The people that are calling me when I'm on call, that is. I don't have all of the staff's numbers saved, so I just have to answer every call. But it's okay. I mean, it doesn't happen that often. Today, it was just very unlucky. Ooh. Well, hopefully you can get back to sleep soon, Colleen. But I'm glad that you're here because I like when you're in chat.
Hello.
Maybe this really relaxing game can put you to sleep. Really relaxing, not spooky at all. It's not really that spooky. Look, I have a puppy. Fire extinguisher.
Wow.
Ooh. That's Polter Puppy, Colleen. Polter Pup, not Polter Puppy. Same difference. Oh, is there gonna be rats in this hole? Maybe not. What's over here? Thank you. Who's in here? A carrot. A bird? Oh my god, give it to me. No! I couldn't get it. I cannot aim this thing, I'm telling you. A bird probably would have given me like 1,000,000 gold bars. For its giving Talkatoo. Oh gosh. Yeah, I do remember the Talkatoo. He was great. My headphones are like messed up. I sat on them once and now one of the sides is like kind of broken and they don't sit on my head right. I have to like fix them. I should probably get new headphones at some point.
Wow.
Wow. Bubbles. Oh! A ghost! Oh my god. Oh my god. Got him.
Whoa. Whoa.
How long did you work for today, Colleen? Or, well, I guess it was yesterday for you now. What is this, like?
Wow.
Oh, it's a green pipe! Wait, look, it's a green pipe. That's kind of fun.
Whoa. 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 Wow. Wow.
I was readjusting my pillow, so I didn't hear. I was just asking how long you worked for yesterday. Sorry to interrupt you readjusting your pillow. Not that long. Oh, well, that's good. What can I do with this thing? 11 hours! That's a long time. Can Guigi get in here? He can! Oh yeah. Someone was having a picnic in this bathroom. Woo! Look at all this money. Some days lately I have done a lot more hours, so it felt short to me. Yeah. Oh wait, this I don't know if this is a women's bathroom. It might be. There's nobody here anyways. It's the middle of the night. And the whole hotel is deserted except for me for some reason. Whoops. Oh, no one was in here. I was expecting there to be some more ghosties. A sword?! That's crazy. Okay. Have to interact with everything. Oh my gosh, get through the door. Oh wait, can I not leave through this door? Or maybe... Maybe only Luigi can go through the real doors. I'm so mad about that gold bird. Actually, neither of the bathrooms specified men or women, so maybe they're both just gender neutral bathrooms. I could not say gender neutral to save my life. Okay, let's go into the restaurant where Polterpup is. We'll be reunited, Colleen. Oh, look at him! He wants that bread! And can you blame him? It looks delicious. Ugh, baguette. Sorry, Colleen. Maybe if they make a new Mario game this year, there will be a new Talkatoo that we can go visit. Wow. Colleen, what would you do if Luigi came up to all of the work you were doing and just sucked it up into his backpack? Then you'd really have to stay on the island forever. Oh my god, look at the cornucopia up there. It's giving Hunger Games. I think the FDA might have a problem with that. Uh-oh. Luigi's gonna get himself in trouble. Oh my god, the baguettes. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's another pipe up there. I wonder how I can get Luigi up there. Ooh! There goes Polterpup. There, you have a new friend, Colleen. Oh my goodness. These freaking guys. It's really windy near my desk, so sometimes when people open the door, the papers all fly away. Oh my god, that's not good. Oh no. Oh, Luigi. You're so dumb. Oh my god. There's like 1,000,000 of them! Don't throw that at me. Oh my god, Luigi, don't panic, I beg. Ow. Ow! Oh my god. Oh, I'm gonna die! Yeah, we need to hit them with each other. That's the best way. I have a big cheese in my... I had a big cheese stuck in the hose. No, I keep getting the tablecloths by mistake. Oh shit, oh my god. There's really 1,000,000 of them. I want that heart under the table, but I couldn't get it. Why did it go literally under the table? I keep picking up this cheese! I don't want it! Come over here, guys. Why are you clapping, bro? I'm killing all your friends. And they're already dead. You know how bad you have to be killed when you're already dead? That's a skill issue. Oh shit, did I just suck that one up, like, fully? Oh my god. How many are left? Like 2? Oh my god. Ugh. This is the lowest my health has been. I haven't heard this noise before. Are you the last one? It must be.
Oh, yes.
What is going on in here? I better not be about to fight another ghost because I have no health. Oh god. It's giving me a bunch of health. So I must be. Oh my god, the smoke. Okay, at least it gave me like a full refill before I have to do anything else. Can I blow all the smoke away? Okay, no. Not Luigi hacking up a lung. What is going on over here? You can do it alone. You can't do it alone. Oh, I need more power. I see. Hold on. Oh, what? It doesn't. He doesn't keep. Wait. Oh, wait. I think I see. Am I supposed to blow all the smoke away? Or should I be something? Oh. That worked regardless, I think. Wait, hold on. I know this. I know I can't do it alone. Okay, no. Who is this? He looks like he's about to sing Le Poisson, Le Poisson. He's cooking a fish too. Colleen, doesn't he look like that? Oh my god. Oh, he freaking blocks with his frying pan. Oh jeez. Oh my god, not Guigi. What am I supposed to do here? Oh my god! You watched The Little Mermaid on the plane. Yes, it is the chef from The Little Mermaid. You're right, Digger. Oh my god. This guy is terrifying. Oh. Oh! I see. I see how this works. I want to watch Little Mermaid. I don't like the noises he makes. Oh shit. Not throwing fish at me. Oh my god, help. Help! I can't get away fast enough. Ow! What am I supposed to do? Bro is so annoying. Oh my god. Wait, what is this? Oh shit, I missed. Oh no, I was prioritizing the money. No, I missed! Ah! Bumdo, it's going great, I promise. What am I supposed to throw at him now that I have no, like, melons and stuff left? Oh wait, unless... Wait, I have an idea. Hold on. Oh shit, what? Wait, oh my god. Ah! I can't think fast enough. Oh my god, I need these. I need this help. I need this help. Oh god. I can never remember what button does what. Yes, this is what I was trying to do. Frick you, bro. Oh my god. You have to do it like literally immediately, otherwise your chance is lost forever. Give me this! Give me this! Why is it not? Oh my god. I do not understand the aiming in this game. And I need to not be in front of him right now. Like, this is the worst angle to be because I cannot see what the hell is going on. What? I don't get it! Well, how do I always end up behind him? Like, let me on this side so that I can actually see what the hell I'm doing. Thank you. There we go. Oh, get him onto the freaking ovens. Maybe that would burn him. I don't think so. I don't think it makes a difference. Oh, Jesus. Shit. I couldn't get away fast enough. Oh my god. Ah! This guy, respectfully, is so annoying. Stop! Stop! Why is it always when I'm behind him? If you think I can freaking see anything when I'm behind him, you would be sorely mistaken. Not freaking bro. Oh my god, let me eat up all that health immediately. Luigi looks so happy for like 2 seconds, and then he's gonna go back to looking scared. Oh, what's this? Oh, an elevator button! Not the rat. Bro, I won this fair. Oh, you're joking. Freaking rat, literally. How do I get it? Can I get anything from inside the oven? Sometimes I think surely there must be a gem in a certain location and then there is not. That's a big chicken though. Aha! Oh, you frickhead. Oh, I know what I have to do. At least I hope I do. Oh, Luigi can't do this. Hi, Baron. There's your bubbles. How are you, Baron? Hold on! Look at him, peeking out as soon as I leave. Now, we do this. Oh, what? No! I thought I could... Oh. I thought I could leave one in the other room. Oh, I have to get the cheese, maybe? I can see him. He wants it. I don't know if that's actually what you're supposed to be doing. Oh, he is eating the cheese. Oh shit, that was probably the wrong thing to do. What? Ah. What do I do? Oh, I see. Just trying every button until something works. I would have tried the rainbow light thing next.
Oh, yeah. I did it. Ow. Oh, no, no.
Luigi, are you for real? Are you actually for real?
No, 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 no.
That is unbelievable, but also so believable for Luigi. Like, are you joking? Ugh. Well, now where is he? I can see there's a pipe up there, but I don't know how the heck you're supposed to get in. We should have exploded the rat while we had the chance, Stinger. Honestly, we should have. Where did this rat go?
Oh.
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 Oh, wait, we're back in here. We're just gonna chase this rat around. Is it too much to ask to receive a call from the doctor so that we can hear the cool ringtone? What the hell? Oh my god. Pool ghost! Ew. He looks frightening. Ew, there's two of them. Oh, you're joking. Come on. Oh shit. Yay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, now off to find the rat.
Whoa. Wow.
Oh damn.
No, 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 no. Oh, no.
Literally, oh no, is right, Luigi. How many more times are we gonna have to chase the rat? I guess they were male and female bathrooms, even though it didn't say which was which. We have to go through the pipe, I suppose.
Hello.
Good thing we figured out how to do this earlier. Like, I literally did all of this stuff earlier. Oh my god, there's a million of them. Bruh. Oh, I have to explode them all. Literally rat jam, like for real. Oh, we got him. Let's get all of them just in case. Sorry, I don't participate in animal cruelty in my regular life, but just because these rats are so annoying, I better get them all. Otherwise, like, another one is gonna steal it. Bundo. Okay. Alright. Oh, shit, I almost left it behind after all of that. Oh yeah, it was inside a rat, I suppose.
Got it. Yeah.
If nobody else got me, I know Guiji got me. For real. What a pal. Alright, let's meander back to- wait. Have I been in, like, this room?
Whoa.
No, I guess not, because this is blocking. I was gonna say let's go back to the elevator, but I may have missed some parts of the floor. I feel like I've definitely missed stuff on the other floors. I want to hear that ringtone. I'm never gonna complain. I'm gonna keep complaining about it until it happens. Oh wait, haven't we been in here already? This looks familiar. This looks very familiar. Oh yeah, this is like the perfume place or whatever. What is going on up there? I don't know if this is that deep, but
Yeah.
I don't think so. We must not have been in there before, because we haven't been to this floor before. So I must be thinking of something else that's similar. What is this? Oh.
Wow.
This room looks so weird. It just was a tarp on top of the thing.
Whoa.
Ooh. Sucking up the candles like that cannot be safe. Why was there no money in that piggy bank? Are you serious? What was even the point of breaking it? Oh, another rubber duck. I want to see a rubber duck that looks like Bundo. I go back to bed now. Good night, Colleen. I hope you can stay asleep for the rest of the night. Thanks for coming to say hello. Why does this look like an exact copy of somewhere that we've been before? This is kind of tripping me out.
Whoa.
Woo! Oh, more wanted posters. Oh, what's this? Why is that not doing anything? That looks like it. Wait. No, we have been here before! That's the poster where he came from. Oh my god, I literally thought I was losing it. I was like, we haven't been here before because we haven't unlocked this floor before. But I forgot he said that we can access the lobby or whatever from that floor. That slipped my mind. I was like literally thinking I had deja vu. I was like, we have so been here before. Okay, I'm not crazy. Damn. Okay, well, let's go to the basement, I think. Let's go pay him a visit. It's been a bit since we paid him a visit. That's wild.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why is Luigi's hair on his head a different color than his mustache? Asking for a friend.
Oh yeah.
게임을 포해. 아뿡.
Luigi, you're doing a great job. Why don't you make your way back to the lab? Yeah, okay, that's what I was gonna do anyway. Wow, we're on the same wavelength. When I get there, I'm gonna tell him, can you please call me more often? Because I want to hear that bomb-ass ringtone. Enough with this just, like, dropping in. Like, I want to answer the phone. Which way is the lab? Oh, it's in the parking garage or whatever.
Wow. Whoa.
I already did this, right? I definitely did. Oh well, it was worth a shot. Considering I cannot get the other ones that I have found tonight. Luigi, you're finally back. You shouldn't keep an old man waiting, you know. Well, you should have called me. I've been busy down here. This lab is almost fully operational. By the way, Luigi, you must be getting pretty good at exploring the hotel, am I right? Have you been sucking up stuff with the poltergust goo? I have. True, never keep an old man waiting. Your pockets must be fit to bursting with all the money you've picked up out there. Give it all to me! My camera's fucked. Sorry, I was just trying to see if it was in focus or not. Fear not, I have the perfect solution to your cumbersome currency conundrum. That's a nice alliteration. Just give it all to me! I didn't expect him to actually say it. Drumroll, please. I'm proud to announce... a shop. Professor Egad's shopping network is now open for business right here in the lab. Wow. I've stocked some rather useful items. They're all yours for a modest fee. To celebrate the shop's grand opening, just this once, I'm giving away a free gold bone. Go on, Luigi. Just select the gold bone to claim it. Wow, thank you for the gold bone. Wait, but I don't want to... Why does it say... Oh, that's saying that I'm not spending any. I see. I got one gold bone. Gold bones are incredible items that give you a second wind if your health runs out. You'd be wise to keep a few on hand, so if you want more, you'll have to buy them. Oh, Polterpup will come to your aid if your health reaches 0. He'll take the bone after restoring your health, though. Ooh, that's kind of good. I've got other items in stock, so feel free to browse. Boo Finder, and there was something else. I almost forgot, I have one other matter to address while you're here. Luigi, could you turn around for a moment? I need to adjust... Can you turn around for a moment? I need to adjust your poltergust goo. It looked like he didn't even do anything. And done. I just added a new feature. Oh my god, another thing I have to remember? My research indicates that boos are hiding out in this hotel. I just added a feature to help you track them down. Oh, I see. It's not like another control. Don't worry about the details, I'll fill you in later. Well then, that's it from me, Luigi. Get back out there and keep exploring the hotel. You got it. Okay. What time is it? It's almost 10. Should I go to a new floor? I think I have some time. Oh, what the heck is this? I've been waiting for this! Oh. I was waiting this whole time! Will it just let me play it? Before it stopped me. I'm pretty sure it automatically answered. Wow, so I can just listen for as long as I want. It did, I swear, the first time it rang, Bumdo, I was like, ooh, let me hear this song. And then it just picked up and I didn't do anything. But I think maybe that was just because it was the first time he called. I don't know. But now it seems like I can just sit here forever. Okay, we should probably answer.
Hello?
Hello? It looks like you've stumbled across a boo already. That's a sign that indicates there's a boo nearby. Let me explain in more detail. Where are these note cards? I love how when you see him on the screen, he like he's not even moving. Like he's not even speaking. He's just like sitting there. You see, Guichi's body is made of a material I've dubbed goo. Goo reacts to the frequency emitted by boos. Goo, boo, makes sense. So if there's a boo hiding nearby, the goo will vibrate to indicate this. The closer you get to a boo's location, the stronger the vibration will be. You'll definitely be able to tell when you're really close. Did all that make sense, Luigi? A strong vibration means a boo is nearby. That doesn't make sense. Get out there and catch a lot of boos. I'll start thinking about the best way to organize them.
Bye.
Okay, so I do feel it on the controller, but it stopped. So was that just a test? No! No, there definitely is something. Then how do I get it?
Wow.
Like, I feel the vibration. Why? I can't. But what? How do I find it then? Woo! I don't know how to find it once I feel the vibration. Oh, I have to be Guigi? No. I don't know!
Hello.
Am I missing something? Oh wait, is it this? That does seem a little suspicious. But how do I get it off the wall? Even trying the double force, and it's still not enough. Sometimes I just don't understand. I feel like it must be behind here, but I really don't know how to get this thing off the wall.
Whoa.
I do not understand. I want to leave, but now I'm curious about this boo situation. And I have to assume it's behind there, because it's the only thing that seems like interactable right here. I don't know, like, what else I can do to it. Oh my god. Ugh. I am not the sharpest tool in the shed, that's for sure. Oh, never mind, that didn't work. I really thought I just figured it out. Never mind then. I was about to be like, wow, I'm dumb, but that didn't work either. Okay, then I'm officially stuck because I don't even know what else I can do to interact with it. Because I'm leaving. Hopefully I'll encounter a boo somewhere else. Which floor did I just unlock? The Great Stage? Is that what I unlocked? I can't even remember. Yeah, I definitely don't think I've been here before. Oh yeah! Like, play this at the club!
Yellow.
Hey Luigi, if you find yourself needing to return to the lab quickly, I've got the perfect solution for you. I've streamlined a transfer system just for you. All you have to do is access the VB and select lab, and we'll be face to face in an instant. The system goes both ways too. When you're ready to get back to your adventures, the system will return you to the same place you left. And that's all. Keep the transfer system in mind while you're out there exploring. Okay, thanks King.
Wow.
Can I play this?
Wow.
Wait, I wonder. Yeah. Ooh! Oh, music note gems? Wait, that's so cool! Then how do I get it out? I think the game is pretty good. At least I'm enjoying it. How do I get that thing down? Luigi, perhaps? Wait, what? I thought he's supposed to continue doing the thing! Haha! It was because is it because I got interrupted by the symbol? Ooh.
Wow. Whoa.
I'm gonna bring this symbol with me everywhere I go. I'm just kidding, I probably can't do that. Wait, what do I have on me right now? Where am I supposed to shoot that? What is that? What is this?
Wow.
Oh shit. But I can't jump! Why was I trying to jump? That is quite silly of me.
Whoa.
Polterpup! Help me!
Whoa.
Oh my god, Polterpup is doing nothing! Oh, okay, well that's helpful, I guess.
Whoa.
I'm bringing this with me, I don't know what that's gonna do, but... I do not have any vodka currently. I do have water though. If that's allowed. Okay, I don't know what the heck I'm doing. Oh. Oh, I fucking broke it. Oh wait, I know. Hold on. Wait, maybe not. Can I get, like, past? Think. I thought I would have to go into like the side parts when the ripple in the carpet is coming by, but it won't let me in.
Whoa!
Oh!
Wow!
Oh. I see. Well, okay, I still got hit more, but I made it. So jumping is like low-key possible. Like not technically, but that kind of works.
Whoa!
Nice. Maracas! That's fun. No, not in there. Come this way. Whoa! What is with the boo?
Hello. Whoa!
Oh, unless. No. Do I have to do anything with him? Oh wait, he has an interact button. Sometimes it's the most obvious thing. Oh damn. Are these bouncy balls or marbles or something? They sound like they're supposed to be marbles. Oh! I think I'm supposed to play like a song of some kind on these. Or not. Or I'm just way over interpreting everything. Oh no, I am. I so am. Hold on. What? What is going on here?
Ooh. Ooh.
Wait, some of them have like corks in them. Are they supposed to have that? Like some of them I can't play. Well, when in doubt, just fucking destroy everything on the shelves, I guess. That's what I say. Ooh. Stop. It was on the right thing and then it stopped. Oh my god, stop! Like, do you see this? I'm trying to get it. There we go. understand what is going on with this. Okay, well, I've destroyed everything, which means we actually have to figure things out now. Why are, like, some of the things lit up? And some are not. Like, maybe they have to go in a specific order or something, but it seems so, like, sensitive. I don't even know if you can get it. Music. I mean, I can read music, and I can see that there is music there, but, like, I don't know what the heck. How the heck that translates to these bottles. And I know that it's the song, it's literally the ringtone song. I can hear it when I'm doing this. What? I'm making progress, but I don't understand how. Is it just going in order? But, like, it's so touchy. That's all it was. Okay. Ooh! Nice. Okay, that was worth it. For the gem. The music gem.
Hey, hey.
Thanks, bro. What am I streaming this week? I am streaming tomorrow and Thursday and Saturday. That is when I'm streaming. I saw a freaking spider, a golden spider, but I think it's gone already. On the weekend with Matt. Oh, give me this. Not with Matt. I have a couple of my friends are coming to visit me on the weekend, and so I'm streaming with them. So I'm sorry that it won't be with Matt.
Wow.
What the heck?
Wow.
Oh. Whoa! Oh yeah.
Wow.
Always gotta try the taps. Oh jeez!
Oh, yeah.
Woo! Ooh. Popcorn! Overfill it. Yeah. Ooh, yes!
I did it. Ho-ho.
You did do it, Luigi. Congrats.
Wow.
Oh my god, 3 gold rats! 3 gold rats! 3 gold rats!
Whoa.
How do I get them?
Wow.
Oh wait, oh, I know. Yes, of course. I got it. I remembered. It took me a second. Woo! Okay. Anywhere else that I can go in here? I guess this way. Ooh! This is exciting. Oh my god, Toad! In the picture frame! I literally forgot that we were having to rescue our friends also. Oh, this is gonna get crazy in a sec. Oh my god, poor guy! Look at him! He looks so upset. Am I gonna have to fight a piano ghost? That's very fitting for me, actually. Oh, this is gonna have to get crazy. This might be the last thing I do. We'll see how long it takes. He's like, why are these bitches interrupting me? Damn! Okay, show off. Oh, damn. Oh, this is crazy. What the heck? He's playing fire while on fire. Literally. What is this? And why are the seats attacking me? Oh, there's money under the seats. You know I'm gonna pick that up. Take a seat. Good one. Excellent humor, Bondo. There's a piggy bank up there. Can I get it? Ow. Shit. This piano playing is immaculate. What a talent. Oh man. Okay, now all the seats are gone. What happens next? Most have been very quiet ever since this piece dropped, just saying. Literally. Oh, we got like a ballerina. How beautiful. Poor Toad witnessing all of this from the picture frame. He's probably terrified. Oh shit, they have the glasses. What? Why didn't that work? Oh, there we go. Oh shit, more appeared. Oh shoot. What's been happening? Well, what has been happening? A bunch of stuff, I guess. We fought a chef ghost that was like trying to chop fish and throw them at us. And now we're fighting a piano playing ghost. Bumdo, anything else important that Matt missed that you can think of? Oh, I defeated a ghost with a ghost slam. That's nice. We also played billiards, Matt. Cool. Oh shit. Oh, I'm gonna fight the piano itself! This is crazy. Yeah, Luigny has been sucking up ghosts. Oh, and golden rats. Yeah, that's true. Oh fuck, what do we even do with this? Oh my god. Is this a Super Mario 64 reference? Oh my god! Oh shit, there he is. Oh shit. I think I missed. I feel like you're supposed to throw the bombs into the piano, and I most definitely did not do that. Oh my god, bro. Where am I supposed to go to, like, avoid? Ah. Okay, it gave me like a target that time. I didn't do it before. Oh, I know. Let's flip this thing! Oh, yeah, that's so fucked up. Actually, I would never do that to a piano. That looks like a beautiful piano. Oh my god, what the hell? I don't know if I'm gonna survive this. There's more health on the floor, but I couldn't get to it because I'm too busy trying to freaking fight the guy. Oh my god, we have to do this so many times. He has so much health. This is gonna be fucked up. Oh no, not again. What is this? Jeez. Spitting all the keys at me. That's crazy behavior from a piano. Oh, a heart. Okay, what I will say, I like how in this game they give you so much health during the battles. That's my kind of game. Oh fuck. Oh Jesus. Like, I don't need any of that challenging stuff. Just give me like a fun battle that I can actually beat. Even if I lose a lot of health. Oh my god, I hate his long arms. What? Where are you going, bro? Oh shoot. Can I get him again? Yes. No! Oh, jeez! Oh, he left. Guess that wasn't gonna be a thing. Here he goes again. Ah! Not the piano screaming at me. Oh, jeez. Oh my god. Oh, yes. Open up. Thank you. I think this one should do it. I always forget about this part. Woo! Oh, the piano's actually broken. Oh no. No! Where are you going? Oh, that might not be enough. Oh, 17? Are you kidding? Come on, bro. Yeah! We did it. I liked him. That was cool. Good battle. I enjoyed. Woo! Bow bow.
Oh. Yeah. Oh, bravo.
We got 6.
Oh.
Oh my god, and Toad! I forgot this was the whole point! Matt, we're rescuing Toad right now. I literally forgot this was the whole point. I was so caught up in the ghost battle. Yay! Rescuing my son! Oh, he's so cute!
Oh,
Oh my god, he's so happy. Aww!
yay.
You're welcome, Toad. It looks like you rescued one of your friends, Luigi. You got his, like, that wasn't the fucking plan, but good job, I guess. It'd probably be best if your friend stayed with me here in the lab. You should take Toad to the elevator. Alright. Look, he's gonna follow me! Oh my god, this is my dream. Look how cute he is. Okay, we'll take him to the elevator. And that might be the end of the stream for tonight. But this was a blast. Not ode. How do I get that fucking thing down? It's gonna annoy me. Whatever. Good night, Falafel. And possibly Bumdo in a moment. Gotta get on East Coast time. Oh, that sounds horrible. Getting on East Coast time is the worst. But that's fair.
Wow.
You do not need to go to sleep soon or get on East Coast time, Matt. Oh my god, wait, I can interact with Toad with the oh my god. Oh, no way. Oh my god. Wait, wait. Is that how we get the piggy bank? Just absolutely launching Toad into the fucking sky? Let's go back in here for a sec. And then I promise I'll get out. Oh, I missed. Sorry, Toad, to continue doing this to you. There we go. But how do I get it all is the problem. Like, how do I get whatever is up there? Just toss Toad again? Well, that's gonna bother me. But at least I figured out how to break it. Okay, let's go, Toad. Can I do anything else to interact with him? Oh my god, this is so fun. Wait, I just want to do this forever. What'll happen if I use Gooigi? Toad does not care about Gooigi whatsoever. Okay, let's go. I hope that it lets me also launch Mario into the ceiling once we rescue him. But that might be too much to ask. Bye! Oh, I'll miss you! Goodbye! What a cutie patootie. Oh, what the hell? It's her. She's like, go! You shouldn't even have let him get this far. Oh my god, her cat. Okay.
Yellow.
We should do the end screen on the other ringtone song again, like we did last week. You've managed to find one of your friends. How many does that leave, though? I see 2 Toads and Princess Peach. Oh, and your big brother, too. He's still captured. Seems like there's a bit more work to do, wouldn't you say? Well, good luck. Thanks. Okay. That'll be where I end things for tonight. But I had a very fun time. Yay! Well, I'll be back tomorrow to play Blueprints again, which I'm very excited about. So come on back if you want to see me play Blueprints. And as of right now, that's my plan for what to do on Thursday as well, unless anything drastic changes. So we'll see. Thanks for hanging out, Bumdo and Matt and Falafel and everybody that was here. I had a good time. Basically the same game. Well, they're similar. And more similar than some other games that I've played to each other. Let's do a quick raid and then we will go to sleep. Let's raid Icy. I feel like I actually haven't raided Icy in a bit. I don't remember. Maybe I have. No, I don't think I have. I feel like I've been raiding other people. Oh my god, look at Icy's hoodie. It's like an Elmo hoodie. Does he have any, like, Elmo emotes? I know we have... Oh, Elmo Fire. This is our raid message. I don't have it in mine, but send to Elmo Fire for Icy's Elmo hoodie. Anyways, thank you, Bumdo. I'm always glad to be here. Let me get some... Oh, I said I was going to play the song. Anyways, yeah, I'll be back tomorrow. Bumdo, if I don't talk to you before, good luck with your trip. I hope you have a great time. And I saw that you sent the link somewhere. Oh, yeah, in self-promo. Oh, and you even included the times. That is fantastic. Hopefully I can check it out. What time? Friday, Saturday. Ugh, it had to be on the weekend that my friends are visiting, didn't it? I'm assuming the VODs will be up, like, after the fact, though, right? But on Friday, on Friday morning, actually, I'm taking the day off work, so I can watch on Friday. So I'll have to remember to check it out. Thank you for sharing those links. I can't wait to see. Okay, let's raid Icy with an Elmo Fire. Have safe travels, Bumdo. Thank you. I will do my best to have the best time. And, yeah. Anybody else? Jesus, that was loud. Sorry. Whoops. Anybody else? I'll see you tomorrow if you're here. Alright. See you tomorrow. Bye.